Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best digital cameras available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best digital cameras, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Gavonde digital camera for photography. Multiple video and photo sizes are up to you. Video resolution: 4K/1080p/720p/360p. Photo pixel: 64m/56m/40m/30m/20m/12m/8m. Connect to PC and work as webcam to video calling. The camera have an excellent pause function which allows you to continue recording in the same file without restarting a new one. Wi-Fi camera makes you can share the photos and videos online with mobile phones instantly. This camcorder supports TV output and can be connected to TV to share your video with family. This camera supports 4.0-inch touchscreen. Equipped with dual lens, easy switching to front camera. You can see what you are recording or the picture framing while doing self-blogging. Number 2. NBD compact digital photography. The digital camera featuring 4K video and 48MP photo resolution. And this vlogging camera for YouTube has a 180-degree rotatable 3 inches so you can see what's being recorded or framing pictures while you're blogging. You can take photos and record videos from any angle, making self-blogging easier. The 4K camera is equipped with a professional detachable 52mm wide-angle lens and macro lens, which is very suitable for close-up shooting of large scenes and small objects. The wide-angle lens can expand the angle of view to 120 degrees to provide a wider range of views. With the macro lens, you can take close-up photos with clear details such as flowers. The vlogging camera can be connected to the PC via a USB cable. Then you can choose mass storage mode to transfer files to your computer or choose PC camera to use it as a PC camera to enjoy video chat or live broadcast. If you want to play the video you shoot, the digital camera supports HDMI function. You can use HDMI cable to directly connect to HDTV. Number 3. NBD digital camera for photography. The vlogging camera supports 4.0K FHD/30pfs video resolution and takes pictures with 48MP picture resolution. It can achieve excellent photographing and recording effects, recording extremely high quality video and capture wonderful moment. Get more natural and realistic image quality. With the included wide-angle lens, this camera for photography is able to capture 45% more picture with every snap. There are no dark corners like cheaper lens does. The macro lens can magnify nearby subjects for breathtaking, super close-up photos. Capture as much details as it can. With this 4K camera, you can shoot stunning photos of people, landscapes, selfies and more. The digital camera has a 16x digital zoom and can easily shoot distant scenery. This video camera comes with a wide-angle lens. You can use the wide-angle lens for a wider range of scenery. Wide-angle lens design, ideal for stunning images, perfect for shooting outdoors. It's great for you to shoot landscapes, portraits or vlogging and so on. This digital camera has a built-in microphone and speaker. By connecting this cheap camera to a computer, it can be used as a webcam. A micro USB cable is included in the package, which can be connected to a laptop for direct streaming to YouTube or Facebook. After importing the captured pictures and videos to the computer, you will get a clearer picture. Number 4. Gavonde 4K compact digital photography camera. The digital camera can make YouTube 4K videos and take 64MP UHD pictures. High quality images and high pixel video sensor can capture every memorable moment clearly. 4K vlogging camera has 3 focus modes: autofocus, manual focus and fixed focus. You can set the focus mode according to your needs. It is a perfect photography cameras for beginners. The upgraded digital camera for YouTube has built-in wireless Wi-Fi function. allowing you to share videos and photos online instantly using your cell phone. The vlog camera can be used as a webcam, making it easy for you to make live streams or video calls on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter or other social media. The USB cable that comes with the package can be used not only for charging but also for transferring. Our 4K travel camera features a 180 degrees IPS flip-up 3-inch IPS screen that makes it easy to take selfies, record and share your life's blog. The small digital camera supports 18x digital zoom and can be easily zoomed in and out while in use by pressing the W/T button. The HD photo camera is also equipped with a high brightness flash to capture clear images in dark environments. Number 5. IAURA Instant Print Camera for Kids. Capture every moment in crystal clear detail with the 1080p HD video recording and the 2.4-inch IPS screen, perfect for viewing and sharing your child's adventures. With 16x digital zoom, the camera allows you to capture distant subjects with clarity, while the 8MP photos ensure that every special moment is captured in high resolution. The instant print feature brings joy to kids with immediate gratification, while the 15 scene filters offer creative options for every photo. The camera's 1000 mAh battery provides up to 2.5 hours of continuous use, and the data cable enables easy transfer of photos and videos to a computer. Engage young minds with 4 puzzle games and an MP3 player, fostering cognitive development and entertainment in one compact device.